So you'll see a lot of these on Amazon, and this is a Ulanzi. And I actually used these both for adventure riding off-road and street for a while, especially on top of the helmet, which we'll go over in a minute. But I did try it with chin mounts. And what I don't like about the Ulanzi and why I got away from them is because they're heavy. And they're made of metal, so they're super durable. But your helmet's already heavy, and you'll notice it, especially when you put one of these guys on your chin. It really weights the front of your helmet, and it tends to pull the helmet down over time. So I've went away from the Ulanzi, and I have moved over to the SmallRig. And the reason I like these SmallRig is because they are plastic. And no, that may not be as durable, but I mean, what are you really doing? You know, that you need it so durable.